Alrighty folks, here's another radio my buddy did up for me, Cobra 25. This one here has the variable power, swing mod, and the hi-fi audio. He just said this one didn't respond to the hi-fi audio nearly as well as the Cobra 29 did. But he said it's still there, it's just not, quite as pronounced. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and test this one. Go ahead and put it on the 5-watt scale. There's half a watt radio dead key. And this one's like the other one, it's adjustable, but none of these were used. It's right back here on top, pop the cover, and there's a variable resistor in there. Which is fine by me. You're going to set it and forget it pretty much anyway. Go to the 50-watt scale. Hello, audio. Hello, audio. Hello, audio. Hello, audio, audio, 1 2 1 2 1 2. Hello. Yeah, we're almost touching that 40. Audio. Audio. Hello, audio. Check, 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 check. Here's just normal talking. Hello, audio. Check, check, check. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. Mary had a little lamb. Hello, audio. Ooh. So let me go ahead and turn the little receive radio on. See what it sounds like over that. Okay, here's a little receive radio. Hello? Hello, audio. 1 2 3 4 5. Hello, come in. Mary had a little lamb. 1 2 3 4 5. Audio check, check, check. Hello, hello, hello.